Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to train an artificial intelligence with Amazon AWS. You'll see that they currently offer courses that are free. Of course, there are registrations, as you can see here, where you have to pay to access the courses. But I've selected courses for you that are 100% free. You just need to create a free account without having to enter any credit card information. And these are courses that are really very interesting in artificial intelligence. So to start, Amazon offers to you the basics of plant engineering. As you know, plant engineering is the art of writing plans and requests to launch a model in artificial intelligence. It's a course that is very interesting. As you can see here, it is available in English, but you can also have subtitles in several other languages. And it's a course designed for beginners. So practically, if you want to learn how to handle artificial intelligence, it's recommended to take this course. To do it, it's very simple. You just need to click on Enroll to start your videos. And you will see that it's a course that lasts 4 hours. So I think that within a week, you can complete it 100%. Next, I have selected a second course for you called No Code Machine Learning, which is really also a course for beginners. This one allows you to handle and create machines of machine learning without writing a single line of code. And this is thanks to a technology called Amazon SageMaker, Canvas. And this one will first teach you how to handle data, simply to classify that data. And above all, there is what we call skill development through practice. So there are a lot of exercises and it's really very simple, very easy to understand. It's a course, then we will see a duration of 5 hours and 30 minutes containing 10 lessons. As usual, to access this course, you simply had to click on Enroll Here to start your training. Then we have this course. This one is at an intermediate level. We can say it's a course that contains 13 hours and 30 minutes. It's a course where you will simply learn to manipulate language models. And especially it will help you learn the basics of generative AI, project planning, and especially the use of Amazon Bedrock. Of course, it requires some basic information, meaning having at least a basic level in Python pool to be able to tackle and respond to the exercises in this program. It's really a very well-made course. I recommend it for those who really want to harness the power of artificial intelligence. You will simply click on Enroll to start your first video. Now, another course, this one is designed for decision makers. It's an intermediate level course. This course will introduce decision makers to the fundamentals of generative AI and also its implementation strategically within their company. So it will simply teach you how to create projects, generative links, and especially how to structure your organization to be ready to deploy this technology. So I think it's a very interesting course for decision makers to learn about the challenges and opportunities of this technology, of AI. It's a course that isn't very long. In fact, it's 3 hours and 17 minutes. So I think there are 5 lessons which you can complete in 3 to 4 days. And to start, you click here on Enroll to simply have this course automatically on your AWS account. Now, another course that is very interesting, Amazon Transcribe. So this is also a course for beginners, for people who are interested in transforming speech into text, thanks to automatic speech recognition, ASR. So it's a well-known technology at Amazon, and it's a course that will give you use cases. You will learn the lessons, and you will learn to configure a transcription solution tailored to your needs and the needs of your company. I think it's a very interesting course. It's not too long, so it's an hour and a half of lessons, and you will learn to do real-time transcription of speech. And generally, it's a very interesting course for people who want to automate processes in companies, who want to use this technology to process data and information. I really recommend it to you. It is really easy to follow and it is made for beginners. Okay, now we have a course for experts. This one is a bit advanced. This one, in fact, will allow you to design, train, and deploy language models on AWS with, of course, Amazon SageMaker. And you should know that it's an advanced course, so it will help you process large amounts of text with their training for learning. It's ideal for people in the science field, especially data scientists and also engineers. ML those who simply want to master the challenges of LLM and their alignment with human feedback, it's a very good course. This course, of course, requires some knowledge in the field of LLM. You can follow it step by step. There are a lot of workshops and practical exercises in this training that I recommend to you. It's a course, it's not too long, so 6 hours, I think in a week or two you can finish it and simply train yourself on 4 language models. So it's simple. You will click here to enroll and register the course on your system. Now here's another course. This one is also preparation for the AWS certification, Certified Machine Learning, and it's also an expert level course. Generally, for data scientists, developers who especially want to integrate machine learning into their applications in the company. It's a very interesting course. I recommend it if you really want to spend a month becoming an expert. You will find 7 hours and 45 minutes. You just need to click on enroll to start your learning on machine learning and AWS certification. So to avoid registering and paying for these courses, you will, and quite simply, click here to create a free account. So once you have created a free account, I have actually left you all the links to all these free courses. I actually advise you to follow this step to register and enroll in the course. Why? Because today this course is free. It might become chargeable later on. So if you have already registered for this course, it will always remain free for you. So even if you are not going to start it now, it's very interesting to follow all the links to these courses that I have provided you and simply register and leave them in your interface. And the day you are ready to train, you will still have them for free. So for me, I have created an account. So I will just click to register. So here I will simply click to enter my login or password for a free account. So in this interface, if you don't have an account, you can simply click here. So this is actually recommended for individuals, or if you have an account, the same thing. You will find sign in here to log in. And that's all there is to do. Once I'm logged in, I will click here on enroll. And it's done. So the course has just been added automatically. You will see there are the courses. And if I simply want to start watching the videos, I click here on start learning now. And there you go. It takes me to the official page of this training to see my progress with the videos. And if I want to start, I click on style course. And there you go. I'm on the first video. I just need to click on play. There you go. To watch the first video. It will actually follow the information, and you will see here you have the summary with all the information and data. You need to complete the course. It will simply be checked and marked as finished. And you can of course move on to the next course, and also in your interface you will find courses that I have just added. There it is. So this is my course. I can complete the progress at any time. And that's what I told you, add all the courses to have everything in your interface and start them afterwards.